Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing and swatching this NICKAKEYESHADOW eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using same palette to do my eye makeup. So let's get started. So this is the overall packaging of this palette, and it says 12 color palette and in the shade Midnight Garden. So this retails for 675 rupees, but I got it for like 200 rupees, you guys. I know it's a steal, and I got it from hokmakeup. So it has a sponge tip applicator like any other eyeshadow palettes, and it has gorgeous 12 colors eyeshadows as you can see, and they don't have any matte shades. So these are the swatches for all the 12 colors, and you can see they are buttery soft, you guys, and it blends on your lids very easily. And it is not like chunky glitters, or it does not have any glitter particles in it. So it's a satiny finish eyeshadows, and which is appropriate for this festive season. So let's get started with eye makeup. So I'll be using this concealer first as a primer, and then I'm going to blend it and set it with the loose powder. Once that's done, I'm going in with this peachy brown shade. I'll be applying it all over my crease. So I'll be slowly building the color, and then I'm making sure there are no harsh edges. And also you can see the pigmentation of the eyeshadows are really amazing, you guys. It's literally worth the buy, and I'm really impressed with this palette. And yeah, once I'm done blending that eyeshadow, I'll be deepening my crease even more using this dark brown shade. So I'll be applying it on my outer corner like this first, and then I'm dragging it inwards like this, and then I'm making sure it's blended with the previous color. Then I'm taking it with a flat brush again, and I'm going to fill in my lid area with the same color, and then I'm making sure there are no harsh edges. Once that's done, I'm going in with this golden shade. I'll be applying it on the center of my eyelids like this, and then making sure it's blended with the lid color. Next up, I'm using this shade to highlight my brow bone and inner corners. So before highlighting my inner corners, I did use concealer for my dark circles, and then I did set it with the loose powder. Then I used the shade for my inner corner. Then going back with that dark brown shade, I'll be applying it on my lower lash line like this. I'm smudging the eyeshadow on my lower lashes like this, and then on top I'll be using this teal green shade, and then I'm going to make sure it's blended with that brown color. Once that's done, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm using this Maybelline Big Shot mascara for my upper and lower lashes. To finish off my look, I used same golden shade for highlighting my highest points, and this is my final makeup look. And if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, these are the two shades I have mixed, and on top I have used lip gloss. So this is my final makeup look using this NICKAKEYESHADOW eyeshadow palette. I really loved this palette, and it's very much appropriate for this festive season, you guys. All the colors are amazingly pigmented, and they are blendable as well. So with that, I finished this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.